Hi everybody, welcome back. It's part 2 of the X-Power Touch and Go carburetor installation. And yesterday you saw the video, some time-lapse footage there of getting the carb in place. No real issues at all really, other than the throttle cable. I've only just managed to get enough free play with the throttle cable. Now with the package that I got, you saw I got the grips, I got the throttle cable and the nibby throttle as well. I think we've got a cat outside that might want to come in. Bear with me. You coming in? Come on mate, you coming in? You alright? There we go. Alright, yeah. So there was just enough. This is Rory, by the way. I think people have seen him before. He's next door's cat and he comes round and spends a lot of time with me. Yeah, there was just enough free play in the throttle cable. If I need to adjust that, I might have to just do a little bit of fiddling, but I think I'm fairly happy where we are now. As the cable goes into the top of the throttle body, it's on like a 90-degree bend, and as it comes out, there's the boost bottle you can see as well. It just interferes with the boost bottle a little bit, but we'll see how we go on. I might actually end up taking that boost bottle off. We got it running yesterday, and we've got some good throttle response whilst we're in the garage, just setting the fuel ratio screw up and the idle screw. In terms of the metering rod, I have turned it a quarter of a turn, so it's a little bit richer than standard, but we'll see how we get on today. So, hey, what are you doing? So the next, yeah, what's up? You're not supposed to bite me. I think he wants some food. So the next stage is we're going to take the bike down to the field and see how we go with the initial riding. So let's go and do that. Come on you, let's go. Down fairly all right. Switch you off a moment. Right guys, what I've been doing there is just getting the balancing act between the idle screw and the fuel ratio screw on the side of the carb. That's a bottom screw on this carburetor. Setting it up in the garage yesterday was a little bit different. It was warm conditions. Out here today it's about 5 to 6 degrees, quite damp as you can see. Typical sort of end of the year winter's day in England. But I think we're somewhere set now with the tick over and the fuel ratio screw and the throttle response from the off. So we'll just try again. So I've had it switched off for a moment. So it's on the button. Let it sort itself out a moment. Right, so yesterday, I don't know if I've mentioned it in my part 1 video, just measure the dimensions on the carburetor when you get it. If you're getting one of these X-Power Touch and Go carburetors, just measure that the metering rod is as on the specification sheet, the distance out from the bottom of the slide. Measure that the jet screw on the top is where it should be. Mine was fully closed, so I had to turn it out half a turn. And the slide was 1.8. That was pretty bang on that, you know, from what I could see. So other than, you know, installing it, we then fitted it on the bike. Initially it wouldn't tick over, so I had to adjust the idle screw and also the fuel ratio score while I was in the workshop. But like I say, with different conditions in there yesterday, warmer. Today it's a bit cooler out here, a bit damper. It took a little bit more getting going. I had to get the choke on it and get it running, and once I got it quite warm, then I had to just fiddle again with the idle screw and the mixer screw to get it somewhere near. I adjusted the metering rod yesterday to make it a little bit richer. I only turned it a quarter of a turn rich, just as a precaution really. So today what we're going to do is just have a bit of a ride around. I'm not doing anything crazy because I haven't got all my full protective gear on, so it's just a bit of a razzing around the field a little bit, some slow sort of manoeuvring type stuff, just for, you know, half an hour or so, just to get a feel about where this carburetor is, and if it is a little bit rich in places, I can take it back home, adjust it, and then I can test it again tomorrow. So we'll see where we go, guys. Let's do it. And we've got the hydraulic clutch as well. This is the first time that I've ridden with the hydraulic clutch. Second gear. Just feel a lot different, but I don't think we're fully dialed in. Very wet, so I must be careful. A lot of pools of water and things. I don't want any slip and slide situations. The hydraulic clutch is so much better. Feels really good, the hydraulic clutch. We're a little bit lean. One finger clutching. These. Feels got a bit of, I don't know if it feels a bit boggy at the bottom. So, don't know what's going on there. doing? So the next